Hello, Namaskarams. I'm Kesav Murthy. I'm an educational consultant. In this video, we will look at typical problems that come from Venn diagram chapter. And Venn diagram chapter and the questions in that chapter come in all the competitive exams such as NTSC, GRE, TNPSC, bank exams, etc. We will look at two questions from Venn diagram chapter and one question from civics, that is factors of production. So let us see. So this is a problem where 100 tourists visit three states: Sikkim, Karnataka, and Rajasthan. 46 people visit Sikkim, 42% visit Karnataka. And the diagram is given. The rectangle represents the total number of tourists, that is equal to 100. One circle represents the tourists who visit Karnataka. The other circle represents the tourists who visit Sikkim. And third circle represents the tourists who visited Rajasthan. And X represents the tourists who visit all the three states. Now let us look at, let's try to find X and Y. Here the total number of people visited Sikkim is 46. That is equal to 24 plus 8 plus 10 plus X is equal to 46. From that we can find X equal to 4. Then the number of tourists visited Karnataka is 42. That is 12 plus 10 plus X plus Y is equal to 42. We have found X equal to 4. So from that you can find Y equal to 16. Now the question asked is, how many people have visited at least two states? It means that people who have visited two states plus people who have visited three states, all the three states. So that if you count, that is 24 plus 10 plus 12 plus 24 plus 10 plus 16 plus 4. So that comes to 54. And next question is people who have visited only two states. So from that 54, you minus the number of people who visited all the three states, that is 4. So 54 minus 4 is equal to 50 is the answer. That is, the number of people who visited only two states is equal to 50. Okay, let us look at one more problem. So here some diagrams are given which represent the relationship between men, fathers and teachers. Say all fathers are men, but all teachers are not men. Teachers can be male or female. So the second diagram represent the relationship between men, fathers and teachers. The small circle represents the fathers, and the bigger circle represents men, and the third circle, that is a bigger circle which cuts the first circle, the father circle as well men circle, that is teachers. So the teachers can be fathers, teachers can be men, so that cuts across other two circles. So the diagram 2 represents the relationship between men, fathers and teachers. Let's go to the third question. Mr. Robinson goes for shipping with for fishing with a fishing net. So he carries a fishing net, and now we have to find what are the factors of production in his activity. The sea is equivalent to the land, and the person who goes there, the manpower is equal to the human capital, and the net is equal to the physical capital, and swimming is equivalent to the labor. So we had identified human capital, physical capital, land and labor in the activity of fishing. So like this, they may give an example and you need to find what are the various factors of production in that particular activity. We hope you understood this video. We will again meet you with more videos on these subjects. If you like this video, you share it with your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.